Afternoon, children. In previous class, we discussed about uses of commas in Indian system and international system. Now, large numbers used in daily life today I discussed. Now, unit of length. Unit of length is equal to meter. The represented letter m. Unit of weight is equal to unit of weight is equal to kilogram. Kilogram, that is the K, represented letter K. Unit of volume is equal to, that is the letter, represented letter L. So unit of time, that is the second base. Now measurement of the lengths. Now measurement of the lengths means first one kilometer. Kilometer is equal to, that is 1000 meters. 1000 meters. This is the length of the measurements. This is the length of the measurements. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now 1 meter is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. Now you convert to 1 kilometers. How many millimeters? Now 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeters? Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Now this is the convert to millimeters. This is millimeter means 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 1000 into 100. That is 1000 into 100. Now 1000 into 100 centimeters. Now 1 centimeter how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters instead of centimeter you write 10 millimeters. Now 1000 into 100 into 10. That is the 1 after how many zeros? 6 zeros. That is the 1 after 6 zeros. That is the 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs millimeters. This is the measurement of the length. The 1 kilometer, how many millimeters means 10 lakh millimeters. Now that is the next one, weight. Weight convert to 1 kilogram convert to how many milligrams? So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 kilograms. Now 1000 into 1 kilogram. Kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. That is each 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligrams. That is the 1000 into 1000 grams. 1000 into 1000. That is the 10 lakh milligrams. Now that is the kiloliter. This is a liter means kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 kilo. This is the volume of measurements. Volume of measurements 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Now that is the 1 liter is equal to how much ml? 1000 ml. 1000 ml. Now instead of liters you write 1000 into 1000. 1000 into 1000 that is the 10 lakh milliliters. This is the measurement of the convert to kilometer, convert to millimeter, 10,000 millimeters. The kilogram convert to milligrams, 10,000 milligrams, and kiloliter convert to ml, milliliter means 10,000 ml. This is the measurement of the length and weight and value. Now this is going to explain 1.5 exercise, the first sum. Exercise 1.5 first sum. Write the greatest and smallest number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0, and 7, and find the difference in both numbers. First we write the greatest number using digits. The greatest number using digits 5, 3, 4, 0, and 7. The number you write the greatest number using digits means you write in descending order. What is the great number? First you write 7, the after next number 5, the after next number 4, after next number 3, 0. You write in descending order. the greatest number, right, means descending order, right? Now 75,430. The greatest number using digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. The greatest number is right in descending order. The biggest to smallest number, right? That is 75,430. Now the smallest number using digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. The smallest number means these given numbers. What is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. But first write 0 means the value is not possible. That's why you write what is the next smallest number. What is the next smallest number? You write 3 after 0, 4, 5, 7. This is the smallest number. Now that is the 30,457. This is the smallest number using the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. The 30,457. Now what is the difference between our greatest number and smallest number? Means what? Both to subtract. First one, the subtract. Now this is the 0 to 10 not possible. 10 minus 7, 3. This is the one is the borrowing. This number is 12. 12 minus 5, 7. This is the 3. One is borrowing. What is 3? The 13. 13 minus 4. That is the 9. This is the 4. The one is borrowing. The number left. The number is 4. The 4 minus 0, 4. That is the 7. 7 minus 3. So 44,973. That is the difference between our greatest number and the smallest number is 44,973. Exercise point sentence. A water has 15 liters of milk. The 25 milliliter of milk is required to prepare a cup of tea. How many cups of tea can be made with milk? So, number of liters, water has the quantity of milk water has. How many liters? 15 liters. 15 liters. The 15 liters means how many? 1 liter is equal to how much ml? 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now 15 liters means 15 into 1000, 15,000 ml. 15,000 ml. Now the 25 milliliters of milk, 25 milliliters of milk required each cup. So the 1 cup of the required milk 25 milliliters. So number of cups of tea can be made in 15 liters of milk. So 15,000 divided by how much each cup? 25 ml. So 25 ml. Now divided with 25 into 15,000. So 25 how many times in 15 or 50 divisible? 25 into 6. 6 5s are 33. 6 2s are 12 plus 3. 50. 150. That is 25 6 are 150. Remaining how many zeros are left? 2 zeros. Right in the place. That is 600 cups are need to 600 cups of tea can be made in 15 liters of milk. 15 liters of milk. Now that is the quantity of milk water as 15 liters. 15 liters means 1 liter how much ml? 1000 ml. So 50 into 1000, 15,000 ml. Now each cup of required how much ml? 25 ml. Now number of cups of tea can be made 15,000 into divided by 25. So 25 how many times usable? That is the 600 times. That is the 600 cups of tea can be made in 15 liters of milk. Now exercise 1.3 also. The helicopter covers 600 km in 1 hour. The distance cover in 1 hour is 600 kilometers. Now how much distance will cover in 4 hours? So express in meters. Kilometer express to meters. Now helicopter solution. Distance cover by helicopter in 1 hour. That is 600 kilometers. Distance covered by in helicopter in 1 hour 600 kilometers. Now distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours. In 4 hours. So what to do? In 4 hours, 1 hour and 600 kilometers travel by helicopter means 4 hours. 4 into 600. You multiply with 4 into 600. So 4, 6 are how much? 24. That is the 2400 kilometers. So distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours is equal to 2400 kilometers. So now 2400 kilometers convert to meters. They express in meters. 1 kilometer how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters means 2400 into 1000. So now you write keep zeros, 2 zeros, and the totally 5 zeros right. 24 lakhs meters. That is the 24 lakhs meters. That is the now that the distance covered by helicopter in 1 hour 600 kilometers. Distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours. The 4 multiply 600, 2400 kilometers. This distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours, 2400 kilometers convert to the meters. That is the 24 lakh meters. Exercise 1.4 sum. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kilogram 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? So weight of solution. Weight of 5 biscuit packets. That is the same size of the biscuit packets. 5 biscuit packets is equal to 8 kg 400 grams. That is the convert to fully grams. So 1 kilogram how many grams? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 8 kilograms means 8 into 1000 plus 400. That is the 8000 plus 400. That is the 8400 grams. 8400 grams. I convert to grams. So 8 kilograms, 400 grams, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 8 into 1000, 8000 plus 400, that is 8400 grams. Now the weight of each packet. Weight of each packet is equal to now what to do? The 5 packets of weight is equal to 8400 grams. Weight of each biscuit packet means 8400 divided by 5. Now you division with 5 with 8400. Now 5 ones are 5, the remainder 3, 34, 5 6 are 30, remainder 4, 0, 5 8 are 40. So another 0 is there left, keep the 0. That is the 1680. That is the what is the answer? 1680. That is 1680. How to write? 1000 plus 680. That is the 1 kilogram 680 grams. That each biscuit packet, weight of each biscuit packet, weight of each packet is equal to 1 kilogram 680 grams. Exercise 1.6. The cost of petrol is rupees 60 per liter. 1 liter cost of the petrol is 60 rupees. The petrol bank sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. How much money do they get at the end of the day? How much get the money? 750 liters per that liter, 60 rupees. That is how to find out. What is the solution? Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 60. The cost of 750 liters of petrol is equal to 750 into 60. You multiply with 75 into 60. Now That is the 70, 750 into 60. So 0, 0, 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 3, 6 sevens are 42 plus 3, 41. Now 0, 0, 0, 41. Now the enthalpy they get at the end of the day is equal to 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees. In this case, cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 60. The cost of 750 liters of petrol, 750 into 60. You multiply with both the 750 into 60. They get what is the answer? The 45,000 rupees. They get at the end of the day. What they get? How much rupees? 45,000. That is exercise 1.4 system. The Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. All of you know that. Already know that Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 15,030 runs in test matches. In both matches, one is a test match and another is the one day match. That is the in test match how many runs scored by Tendulkar? 15,030 runs. And the test matches and 18,111 runs in one day cricket match. That Tendulkar scored in one day cricket match 18,111. The runs in scored in one day cricket. What is the total number of runs in scored by in test match and one day match? Now I write that what to do in Tendulkar is famous cricket player. He has so far scored 15,030 runs in test matches. 18,111 runs in scored one day cricket match. What is the total number of runs to do? Okay. Now solution. Runs scored in test matches by Tendulkar. How many matches in this? That is the 15,030 runs. 15,030 runs. Runs scored in test matches by Tendulkar. 15,030 runs. Now runs scored in one day matches. Runs scored in one day matches by Tendulkar. How many? 18,111. So runs scored in test matches by Tendulkar 15,030 runs. That is runs scored in one day matches in Tendulkar 18,111. Now total runs in test match and one day match. So total runs. What to do now? Total runs. We add both. First add. So 0 plus 1 1, 3 plus 1 4, 1, 8 plus 5 30. That is the 33,141. The total scores in test matches and one day matches we got the runs 33,141. The measurement of the length and value and weight all the time. Now again we need that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Already know that just before I explained. So 1 kilometer, how many millimeters we know that first we will find out. 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeters? How many millimeters means 1,000. That is 1,000 meters. We convert to millimeters. Already just before I explained that meters place. 1 meter how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In meter instead of meter place you write 100. That 1,000 into 100. Okay, that is 1,000 into 100 centimeter. In the centimeter place, how many 1 centimeter? How many millimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So now that is the instead of centimeter, you write it as 1,000 into 100 into 10. That is the 1 after 6 zeros. That is the 10 lakhs millimeter. This is the 1 kilometer convert to millimeter. So 1 kilometer, 1 kilogram convert to milligram. 1 kilogram how many grams? 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram 1000 grams. When you convert to milligrams, means 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1 gram 1000 milligrams. 1000 grams instead of grams, we change to milligrams. That is a 1000 into 1000. So that is 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Total how many zeros? 1 after 6 zeros. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That is the 10 lakh milligrams. This is the 1 kilogram. How many milligrams? So 1 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter. How many liters? 1000 liters. So 1 kilometer. How many milliliters? How many milliliters means 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 meter is 1000 milliliters. So now 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 into 1000. 1000 into 1000 how much is that? Is the 10 lakh milliliters. Today this is the completed how to measurement of the length, how to measurement of the weight, how to measurement of the value. These are completed results.